What's up everyone? Here with me is the Nanuk N-PVD 30L, a backpack with maximum safety and protection for your cameras, drone, accessories. Let's break this backpack down. Nanuk classifies this bag as a non-carry-on bag, but personally, I've been on numerous flights and I've had no issue. The materials are made out of recycled polyester fabric, which has a water repellent coating. And for more serious weather conditions, it comes with this rain sleeve. All the external zippers are AKK AquaGuard, which just means waterproof. What makes this bag stand up against any other bag is its double-layer foam padded body. It gives you the pleasure of knowing that your gear will be safe when getting tossed around versus any travel situation. The bottom of this bag has a flat base with a reinforced rugged surface, allowing the bag to stand up in almost any terrain. On both sides, there are tripod compression straps, which feature aluminum hardware. At the top, there are two zippers, quick access for much smaller and thinner items. Underneath that is a much larger compartment. In here, I tend to put audio gear for when I'm shooting video-related projects. Nanuk supplies you with these red straps if you want to secure gear down. Personally, I don't find them useful unless you're storing like a camera or like a lens in here so it doesn't bang around. The unique thing about this hard shelf right here is that you can actually take this guy out and now you have access to your main compartment. At the roof of this compartment door is a little mesh zipper pocket. Usually here I put plugs for accessories, and inside here is also a key leash. Just below that is a nice wide grip handle. The straps have a very basic, clean look, but are quite strong and comfortable. On each one, there's a horizontal strip to click things onto. And of course, below that is an adjustable sternum strap that slides for accurate placement. Also included is a waist belt for more support or just casual wearing for longer periods of time. On each side is a small zipper pocket that definitely comes in handy. It's also removable. Personally, I like to keep mine off as I like to keep my bag as compact as possible. I think when you have this thing here, it could get caught, I think, if you don't have it buckled. Something I loved about this back panel was this additional grip that was added. So when you're going through the main compartment and as you close it, you can just touch it, grab it, and go. As soon as you open the main compartment of the back panel, you'll see a laptop and tablet sleeve. The laptop fits anything up to a 16-inch. And below that, we have a zipper mesh pocket for thin item. Now for the main compartment. Inside is fully customizable to your preference. The dividers have a triangle trifold system that allows more protection to your gear placed inside. Thank you to Nanuk for the backpack. Don't forget to subscribe to Adorama TV. Don't forget to hit the bell for notifications on future videos. I'll see you next time. Peace.